Trojan, because Onyx brand tires is the best cost performance tires from China, and it is from HengFeng Factory. HengFeng Factory is one of the biggest exporter of tire manufacturers from China. So I think that to choose Onyx and the Trojan team is one of the best professional trading company from China. We have engaged in tire business for foreign trading for more than 10 years. So we can handle a lot of issues during the trading solution and help our customers to solve all kinds of problems maybe. So I think Onyx Trojan company should be one of your options. Thank you.